how to make video with pictures and music in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So Canva is a perfect place to make videos of your choice. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and head over to canva.com, then go to the templates option in the left hand side. So here you can choose various templates of your choice. Since you want to make video, tap on video and then you can choose whether to make landscape video, mobile videos for Instagram reels or more. So I'll tap on landscape video and then you can upload the pictures from the Canva itself by going to elements, or you can also upload it from your gallery. So go to uploads and you can tap on upload files and all of the uploaded files will appear right below. So you can just choose the pictures that you have uploaded and it will appear itself on the timeline. So just tap on it and then you can increase or decrease the length by just dragging it like this. Just tap on the video and then increase or decrease the duration, and then you can even add a blank space by tapping on the plus, or then you can upload another video. You can add transitions, so there are various transitions that you can choose from. So you can go to the split option and even split the videos, and the transitions are like this: dissolve, slide. You can see the preview as well, and then you can even increase or decrease the duration of the transition. Okay, so this is how it works. You can add various elements if you want to. Go to elements, you can just drag the element, you can change the colors, and so after you're done editing, you can just go to add audio option, just tap on it, and then you can add your own voiceover, or you can generate AI voice or add the music provided by Canva. So this is how you create pictures with Canva and add your own audio. So that's how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.